हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ हैच एंड स्लैग साइकिल, आल्सो नोन एज C4 पैथवे। C4 पैथवे क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज फर्स्ट स्टेबल कंपाउंड जो है इसमें C4 है। इसमें स्टेप्स कौन कौन सी इन्वॉल्व होती है? पहली स्टेप है कार्बोक्सिलेशन, दूसरी रिडक्शन, तीसरी आ गई इसमें डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन और चौथी फॉस्फोरिलेशन। अब क्या होता है ये ड्यूरिंग द डार्क फेज जो CO2 है वो कंबाइन होता है फॉस्फोनाइल पायरुविक एसिड के साथ टू फॉर्म ऑक्जेलो एसिटिक एसिड। इन्हें मेसोफिल क्लोरोप्लास्ट ऑफ मेसोफिल सेल में क्या होता है? ड्यूरिंग द डार्क फेज CO2 कंबाइन विद फॉस्फोनाइल पायरुविक एसिड टू फॉर्म ऑक्जेलो एसिटिक एसिड इन क्लोरोप्लास्ट ऑफ मेसोफिल सेल. It is further reduced into malic acid. It is further reduced into malic acid. Malic acid is transferred through plasmodesmata. Malic acid is transferred through plasmodesmata into chloroplast of bundle sheet cells. The steps involved between oxaloacetic acid and malic acid is reduction. What is reduction? NADPH2 is converted to NADP. Malic acid is transferred through plasmodesmata in chloroplast of bundle sheet cell. The malic acid is transferred into chloroplast of bundle sheet cell. Malic acid to form pyruvic acid. The malic acid to form pyruvic acid with the losses of carbon dioxide. The loses carbon dioxide is enter into Calvin cycle to form glucose. The pyruvic acid again enter into mesophyll cell to form phosphonyl pyruvic acid to complete the hash cycle. The phosphonyl pyruvic acid have 3 carbon compounds. When combined with carbon dioxide to form 4 carbon compound, this is oxaloacetic acid. The oxaloacetic acid involved reduction step reduced in malic acid. Malic acid have also 4 carbon compound. Malic acid transferred through plasmodesmata in chloroplast of bundle sheet cell. Malic acid to form pyruvic acid. Malic acid to form pyruvic acid with the losses of carbon dioxide. The losses of carbon dioxide, the carbon group, losses of carbon group enter into Calvin cycle to form glucose. The pyruvic acid again enter into chloroplast of mesophyll cell to form phosphonyl pyruvic acid. The step involved between pyruvic acid and phosphonyl pyruvic acid is phosphorylation, in which ATP is converted into ADP. The phosphonyl pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid to form phosphonyl pyruvic acid with a complete Hatch-Slack cycle. This is the Calvin cycle. This is the C4 cycle. Some full forms are PEPA, PEPA. PEPA is phosphonyl pyruvic acid. Oxaloacetic is OA is the oxaloacetic acid and PA is the pyruvic acid. PEPA have 3 carbon compound. Oxaloacetic have 4 carbon compound and pyruvic acid have also 3 carbon compound. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.